How to get verified on Tinder. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can get verified on Tinder. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you wanna go ahead and open up Tinder, and then you wanna head over to your profile. You'll find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then once here on your profile, beside your name you'll get the age. You can see my name, you can see my age, and beside it you'll get a little tick mark there. Now you can see I'm not verified, so you wanna simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you to get photo verified. So you want to simply tap on continue, and then you can read how it works here. Our tech compares the face in your video selfie to the face in your profile pics to check if the face geometries appear to match. So you'll have to submit a video selfie. You want to simply tap on next and then tap on I agree, and then you'll have to send them a video selfie. And once you do so, if your video selfie matches your picture on your profile, then you'll get verified. So I'll just do it real quick here. So as you can see, I have sent my video selfie, and then you can see it says photo verification under review. We are currently reviewing your video and we'll get back shortly. So this is the way that you can get verified on Tinder. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.